This pill ain't helping. And I'm scared to push too hard because I got them drains on there. Thank y'all for the follow. But yeah, I'm gonna get up and walk here in a minute. Girl, I got there at 5 something. And when you wake up out of recovery, I was leaving out of there at 10:40. They make sure you good. They gave me like a Gatorade. They make sure you good. You're not nauseated. I didn't get nauseated or anything. I got an extended tummy tuck. Welcome in, welcome in. But they make sure you good. Uh, yeah, so it wasn't too bad. But the people are so nice. So nice. I'm talking about they welcome you in. The center was amazing. The center was so